Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video you'll be receiving some cleaning motivation as usual, as well as I'll be decorating for Valentine's, but I'm going to keep it very minimalist, as well as my chocolate chip zucchini bread, and this is my go-to cozy recipe, so I hope you stay tuned. Luckily, the living room wasn't that messy at all. I just really had to tidy up in here. But other than that, we can go ahead and start decorating. Now, I'm going to keep it very minimalist because I don't really like clutter. I really don't have the space to storage any of my decor. So that is why I like this method of just putting on some pillowcases to the pillows that I already have. It's very easy and affordable. I always purchase mine on Amazon. I can link them down below if you are interested. But other than that, this is pretty much it. And I also add a little knickknacks here and there of Valentine's because, like I said, I normally don't really decorate for Valentine's. This is like my second time. So I still have this Christmas tree that I think I'm just gonna leave here on my coffee table. I know it's a Christmas decor, but I'm really want to sand this down and maybe stain it because it is wood. But so yeah, so I'm just going to put this for my coffee table and leave it there permanently. So don't mind the Christmas decor. So when it comes to home decor or decorating for a season, I like to keep it in a budget. So everything from in here is from Dollar Tree, except for that candle. My sister gave it to me for Christmas. But I do want to mention that Dollar Tree now has a Dollar Tree Plus section, meaning they have their home decor from $3 to $5. Now they have, if you go to their website, you go to their store locator and type in your area, it will give you the Dollar Tree Plus section, and this is just a wider range of inventory. Now, this is not sponsored by Dollar Tree, it's just I love Dollar Tree, and if you love Dollar Tree as much as I do, this will be beneficial for you for your home decor as well as a variety of items, and let's get real and to keep it on a budget. So I just wanted to share the love with you guys. indoors. I'm very proud. I think I will have a video coming up where I talk about my vegetable garden for the winter. But so yeah, I'm so happy and excited that this baby is growing. Just wanted to share. All right, so you guys know I love to clean my range with a brio pad, but lately I've been loving this brush that my husband gave to me from his job. But I've also seen them at Lowe's or at Home Depot. They do have different colors of bristle for different types of uses, and I am enjoying using it as my daily cleaning routine because it is so easy to use and it gets into those hard to reach areas. Now, don't underestimate the Q-tip as well. This goes it into many uses, not just removing makeup or cleaning your ears or whatnot, but I've been using this as a cleaning tool as well. And let me tell you guys, it is so easy, and I'm pretty sure everyone has this in their household. And but so yeah, so I just love using that right now for cleaning my range. Here's another item that I picked up from Dollar Tree for only $3. What I love about it is that it is glass. Now, they did have different types of soap dispensers, like there's some for your bathroom, but I particularly picked this one up for my kitchen sink. Now, these can get very pricey. I've been looking around for one. I've seen some on Amazon ranging from $15 to $30, which was out of the budget for me, and I am so happy that I found this, and I just love the look of it. And Dollar Tree has them right now for $3. Please tell me I'm not the only one who does this, but I add water into my dish soap so that way I can get more product out of it, and I use this first before using the one there on the top sink. But anyways, thumbs it up if you do the same thing. All right, guys, so we are officially towards the end of the video. What is left is we are going to bake some zucchini bread, but on the cleaning part, we are finished. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I really loved creating content for you guys. But I would appreciate it if you thumbs it up. That way, that can further let me know that you are enjoying this type of content and I can continue to create them for you guys. Now, for the zucchini bread, I was really debating on whether to talk or just let you enjoy the process of it. As me myself, I love when no one talks and I can just actually enjoy watching and hearing music in the background, and as well as reading on the screen what are the ingredients and the step by step. But for now, we are just going to enjoy the music in the background and baking for some relaxation because it is very much needed. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, thumbs it up before leaving, subscribe if you haven't already, and I have nothing else to say except I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.